water, rock, and trees. This is Ithaca for y'all. My new research group went on a hike this past Sunday. Since you guys asked for more walk and talk videos and I'm on a group hike right now, I felt, why not? Look at how beautiful Ithaca is. Look at the trees. Especially at this time of the year, they're changing colors and it's so pretty. All the colors. Like, trees are beautiful, man. I mean, like everything from the xylem tubes that transport water from the roots to their leaves, to the phloem tubes that transport nutrients from the leaves down to the rest of the trees. Like, it's so cool. Holy cow, guys, this is too pretty. I mean, I had an entire script, but look at this place. Wow. I love Ithaca. I really do. So, trees. As impressed as I am about remembering my middle school science knowledge, and I have to admit you do learn a lot, the issue is you never quite learn why. Like, for example, why do tree trunks only grow outward and not upward? How do the xylem and phloem tubes even work? And on a more fundamental level, what the heck is going on when a cell divides or DNA replicates? And I'm not just talking about the various stages, I'm talking about the fundamental machinery that goes on during these processes. Like, how do these molecules even know when to do their stuff? How do they know they're supposed to be doing work? And those are all questions that can be answered by biophysics. These two professors gave talks to the new applied physics graduate students this last Tuesday, and she talked about her work on DNA replication and he talked about his work on CRISPR, which physicists get to work with CRISPR and DNA replication? Heck yeah, I'm down. So yeah, I might be talking to some biophysicists soon about potentially doing research with them. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I was chatting with one of the speakers afterwards and he said that, yeah, biophysics really is a field that's wide open. Like, no one has thought to ask these questions, and so it's really pretty low-hanging fruit right now. And I don't know, it sounds exciting. I have to figure out what I want to do for my PhD and what I want out of my PhD at Cornell. Yutai told me this is where the pretty part starts, so I guess I'll start vlogging here, and I am not screaming at the top of my lungs. I totally am not. Oh my god, it's so loud. You guys can enjoy the scenery. Speaking of research though, my current research is it's so cool. I never expected a chain of magnets to be so fun, unpredictable, just you name it, exciting. I don't exactly have the words to describe it yet, so I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, the goal is definitely to finish collecting data and get enough data analyzed by the physics conference next year so I can start talking to the physicists there about my results and my findings. And speaking of the physics conference, CI, if your friend wants to meet up, I am totally down. He is like a physics celebrity right now. I mean, he co-authored a new edition to Griffith's quantum mechanics textbook. Like, Griffiths is a rock star in physics. You have no idea. Oh, holy cow, this is pretty!
That's nice.
This is so amazing. By the way, the person you're hearing right now is Yukai.
That's right.
Say hi to my YouTube channel, they all know you. This is the lovely PI that I fangirl about way too much. But yeah, it's so pretty. But yeah, and speaking of the conference, I will actually be presenting my veritasium work there. It's weird. I still need to figure out exactly what I want to say, but I think my final punchline is going to be something along the lines of, if you're even remotely excited about physics education, you don't really have to invest a lot of time to start making an impact on the world in terms of physics education. And well, I'm just excited to see where veritasium goes in the future. I'm excited to see where all my projects go in the future. It's just, I'm looking forward to it, really. I'm excited but terrified. Mostly excited. Okay, well, see you guys next week. And now this feels like a forest. And, you know, with the river over there, it's just great. And then there's a bridge. It's amazing. Ah! This is why you don't vlog and walk at the same time. I stepped in a pile of mud. And my PI saved me from venturing deeper into the mud.